Hi there, and welcome to today's Sandis Ecom review. What is Anthony Sandis Ecom Course all about? Is it a legit done for you ecom course, or is it going to be a risky investment? In today's video, we're going to address these following questions. Is it a scam? How exactly does the program work? Is it worth buying into it? And are there better alternatives? Stick around till the end of this video. Not only am I going to give you all the information you need to make an informed decision, but I've also got a really cool free gift for you. So make sure you watch right up till the end of this video. So, who am I and why should you listen to me? My name is Rupesh and I have been in the make money online space since 2015. Now, when I started out back then, I was first working in the health field, and one day I started hearing these crazy ringing noises in my ear, and it's called tinnitus, and it affected my day job significantly to the point where I had no choice but to buy a hearing aid. But listening to music and watching movies was never the same from that point onwards. And that's when the thought came to my mind that I needed a backup plan because you never know how bad things can get. And that's when I decided to get into the make money online space. But it was not always a walk in the park. I tried a number of different opportunities, like the mediocre ones, like those get paid to websites. I tried online surveys, and trust me when I tell you, I even got scammed online, so I got my fair share of online scams. However, it was all valuable lessons, and I am grateful that I stuck it through to eventually finding genuine and supportive online communities and training programs that pushed me toward the right direction. And today, I am grateful for the success and happy to be able to speak to you. So, if you like to learn on how to make money online or the legit ways to earning an income online, please feel free to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I also want to tell you that I am not an affiliate for this program, and this means that I do not receive any money from talking about this program or anyone related to the program for making this video, nor do I make any money if you go ahead and decide to join this business opportunity. However, I am an affiliate for other programs. So this means that if you purchase from any of the links that I post beneath this video, I will earn a commission, but not to worry, this is at no additional extra cost to you. My pledge is that I will do my best to provide you with my most accurate, honest, and unbiased review so that you can make an informed decision on what to do. So, what is this program all about? So, what is a Sandi Ecom Course all about? It is a done for you e commerce automation service that is created by a gentleman by the name of Anthony Sandis. And instead of teaching you on how to build online stores, the program builds and runs them for you. So once you invest, a professional team sets up and manages e-commerce stores on various platforms like TikTok Shop, Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, Walmart, and eBay, handling everything for you from product research right up to customer service. So it's marketed as a hands-free way to earn passive income from e-commerce, especially for those with the capital but not the time or the know-how to run such a business model. So the core product is of course a done for you e-commerce store setup and management. Their core industry is e-commerce automation and digital investment services. And of course, the core business model is a high ticket service plus a profit sharing agency model. So, what is a done for you e commerce automation service? Well, you invest money, a team builds and runs your online stores. You don't have to do any product research or ads or customer service. Stores are launched then on your platforms like TikTok Shop, Etsy, and eBay. You get a share of your profits. Usually it's within the range of 40 to 60%. So basically, it's a hands off model, but high upfront costs and shared control. How does the program work? Well, this is how the Sandi Ecom business works. There's a startup cost. It's anywhere from $35,000 up to $120,000. It's a one-time investment, and the platform that they're going to help you set up your store will be on TikTok, Etsy, eBay, and other places that I mentioned earlier on. Like I said, you will have to split the profits that your e-commerce store makes anywhere between 40 to 60% of net profits, and the time that you can actually come out as a winner will often take between 6 to 12 months plus to see profits. So how do you earn money with this business? Well, once you invest, Sandy's team builds and manages your stores. You'll receive monthly or quarterly payouts depending on your agreement, and the real profit depends on how well your store performs, the platform rules, and the market demands. Ongoing costs, of course, will be on your side would be extra capital may be needed for maybe purchasing stock. So is Anthony Sandis Ecom Course a scam? Now, in my opinion, I do not think it's a scam. It's a legitimate done for you e-commerce agency that provides real services like store setup, product research, customer service, and marketplace management across various platforms. However, just because it's legit, it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to be a low cost. Like I showed you earlier on, the program requires a high upfront investments, usually starting at around 35,000, and there are no guarantees of profit. If your store gets suspended by a platform or underperforms, there are no refunds, and communication from the agency can sometimes be slow. So while it's not a scam, it's definitely a high risk business model, and I believe it's better suited for those who have extra capital and realistic expectations. The good parts about this program, of course, it's going to be hands off management. The agency runs your stores from the setup right up to fulfillment. You got multi platform reach, so you can reach your audience on various different networks, like I mentioned to you earlier on. And then you get a pro team and trend spotting, and this is a team that's going to monitor and do the product research and look at the data and obviously drive your business in the right direction. The bad parts about a program, as you might have guessed, is a high upfront cost, starting at 35K plus extra capital that you're going to need. There's no refunds or guarantees, so once you're in, your money is locked, and the risk of platform bans, store suspensions can wipe out your earnings pretty fast. My final verdict on the Sandy Ecom is that it is a legit done for you service for investors who wants a hands off online income, but it comes with serious risk. With startup costs starting at 35K upwards plus ongoing capital and for its to 60 profit split, it's not for beginners or anyone on a tight budget. If you have surplus funds, you don't mind limited control, you're okay with the potential platform risk, then it can be a good shortcut worth testing. But for most people, more affordable, flexible online business models like affiliate marketing offers a safer and a smarter path. So, are there better alternatives? And I'd like to direct your attention to my number one recommendation, which is high ticket affiliate marketing. And this is a business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. The benefits of this model is there's no recruiting that's necessary. There's no need to worry about sales support or customer queries. No owning of your product. You choose the products you like to promote. It's 100% online, so you can work from anywhere. You get to choose your hours, full time or part time. The most important benefit, of course, is low startup costs. You're not going to be have to investing a lot of money to get started compared to this ecom course that we talked about. It's a beginner friendly business model to learn and to execute. You don't have to focus on turning a high volume to reach your income goal. It really does depend what your income goal is. So let's just say if you sell 3 or 4 high ticket offers, that can get you your income goal and you're done for the month. Now, other benefits of this affiliate marketing business model is that it has the potential of helping you earn a passive income. In addition, once you've got it up and running and it's earning you consistent income, then you can also have the ability to quit your day job if that's what you want to do. And then you also have the benefit of living life on your terms, so it offers you time and location freedom. Big question is, how do you get started with this business model? And the answer is by checking out my free gift. My free gift is an access to a free online course. Yes, it's free. You don't need your credit card to sign up to this opportunity. You'll see proof that it works, that folks are making money with this business. You'll also get some of my free cool bonuses that will help you get fast tracked in the world of social media marketing. So thank you very much for checking out my Sandi Ecom review. I hope that it has helped you out. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date on what is happening in the world of online business. And don't forget to go ahead and claim your free gift that is waiting for you in my pinned comment or in the video description. Thanks so very much, and I wish you everything of the best in your entrepreneurship journey. Goodbye and take care.